Hey YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back here. This is the new sneakers from Nike, Sacai blazer, and this one ready to ship. If you want to copy this one, please check out my web link bioshop.ru. And this is the new style for Nike Sacai sneakers, so you can check. It's very a little special, different. With other Sacai sneakers, so you can look at this side, the whole shape like this, and also got the double Nike shoes. One is the orange temple leather, and another one is the white color with another kind of material. And about the so you can look here, this part like this, have the space here. On the back side got the Nike, and on the top got the shred, gray shred, milk. This should be the milk white or gray, and then the temple leather, and also the white temple leather. And about the inner side got the same. Also got the double Nike shoes, and the white temple leather material on the upper, and the front you can do very soft temple leather, and then a white shoelace around the shoe tom. Got the double shoe tom here, 2 layers. Got the Nike there. The pure white shoelace, and the bottom is the rubber. A little heavy. This one is very good, and the inside white shoe point, and also got the Nike there. The bottom shoe is same as the other Nike Sacai sneakers. So you can look, it's the orange, this color red. On top got the Nike and the size level. Okay, so this is the new Nike blazer Sacai sneakers. If you want to copy this one, please don't forget to check out my web link. For more details and also information, you can contact us. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.